video is the rise of Fulton, and I know Fulton's life. His 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 girlfriend is Tilda, which he has actually two. He has he has a little sister. His name is Maddie. Yeah, and he was born, and his age is 25, so he was born in 2000 or 2005. I don't know which is the oldest man alive. Is actually a grown man. Fulton is a grown man. I'm not even told him. And yeah, his first ever and his you know why they call Fulton Tony? It's a fun little nickname and a thing and a nice nickname which I don't know about that. And and Tony which is which lives in Florida. I don't know. I forgot. Oh my god. Why's, why is there a fat loop there, brother? So Fulton he actually wants to play foot what is again football I think which when he was a kid his name and his first ever channel is Fluffy Bunny 108. Yeah, that's all I can find on Fulton. Please subscribe.